Ekene mo no Igbo ndị mena ege biko foto anụ na afọ ebe a kịta bụ afa this man bụ Engineer Dominic Okafor FNCE kedu ihe ọ bụ? Ọ sị that the man was a member representing Agwata constituency in Anambra State House of Assembly has empowered his constituency with branded wheelbarrows. So ka njikere unu ọ him chọrọ eju biko na unu ewekwana iwe uche onye adị na njọ ka njikere o nwere ajụ ihe anyị bụ ndị Igbo mere unu o nwere ajụ ihe anyị bụ ndị Igbo mere some of this our Igbo rich men o nwere ajụ ihe anyị mere some of you that you guys are so wicked and terrible. Wheelbarrow kiji shojo empower ndị bụ unu sekwana ya foto tii na internet dekwa na afa gị na the wheelbarrow no imegolu ndị bụ unu ihe ọma. Edom na some of you na-agata obodo oyibo, edom na some of you na-aga obodo oyibo. Enwego ndị ọcha in what modern era in this AI technology era ka ị na-enye ndị mmadụ wheelbarrow? On several occasions, I na hit on your brother just bank it. Some of the things in the name, some of you people name, you guys are terrible and wicked. You guys are terrible and wicked. You guys are terrible. One of you know choco we put easy cha. You put easy tip it way down. See go see pit way down. That we better he be biko oga. You JB have been the bone nine. Starting from your children. You could born at them Jacob here. Lisa haya kota nke you and your family yeli. So forget is the hand we kota nke ndozo yeli. Ha kota godu nke your family yeli with that barrow. Asigodu ni bute tractors ewe ko ugbo tractors. Mana iwu na eme unu bute tractors esecha ya foto kunu empower community. How many of them ka na afu n'ime unu bile ndị mmadụ? Obolozia tractor cost la ego na onye ọbụla that cannot afford half of the money should leave it. By the time after 6 months or 1 year nwere onye biano unu lechi ya back to ebunu si butiele ya auction nda ha bịa ka bulu. That is how terrible some of you can be. You know the terrible, unu the extremely wicked. You know the wicked. Sometimes na you can know does it mean that some of these Igbo politicians unu reach an agreement with ndị Fulani na ndị Hausa unu na oppress ndị Igbo unu? Because onwe na ha ghọta unu na-akpacha ngwa ka ndị ala ka ndị Hausa mago na-akpa agwa n'obodo ọnụ ugwu Hausa ka na-afụ ndị mmadụ na-ebili ndị be ha bread wheelbarrow mma eji ete nkwụ ụmụ ihe anụ nwagasị na-afụ ndị Hausa na-eme ha anaza na agolo si ka ya alaji ne governor Niger State can national spend go over 1.60 something billion naira in travel for the last 6 months. Man, a hospital bed costs with 60 to 70,000 add on at their hospitals, and somebody is supporting that barbaric act. Some of you are takwana fool. Oge echete mgbe ya bụ mmadụ bụla ajọ mmadụ weta ihe na community onwere onye na-akwa anị ya. You will have to force yourself into the community and the mother will accept to bagi because of the way of the wickedness and evil that you have exhibited in the life of the people of that community. In this era of ECB technology, na apota ihe na-eme AI na-ewu computers everywhere. See go ni go 10 computers be school. And somebody somewhere say na this wheelbarrows are now cost so 10 of them with 1 million naira, or now how many of them with 1 million that they will need the chukupu. That person none of that comment section chukupu bulie si bulie abi ndị bu unu si gwa ndị bu na ọgbọ na azụ 10 bulie abi ha. It's high time unu kwụsị this wickedness unu na-eme. You guys, unu the wicked o. It's high time unu kwụsịrị ya. Ịkpọpụta ndị mmadụ ezi. Ịkpọpụta ndị mmadụ ezi. How wicked can you be? People's father, people's mother. Ịkpọpụta ha ezi. See her under the sun. Maybe they would have waited for you for 3-4 hours to be show up safe. You took your time, construction the wheelbarrow, see the illegal area. A member representing a constituency. What happens to the security of life and property? And we have one video me one certain time all this local government chairman, all these representatives, what are you people doing for the safety of life and properties of Igbo? Remember that video immediately after that massacre in Benue State. See nda hapo Benue State and Igbo ka ha face next. We are not asking for much. We are not asking for much. 3 things I need in an Igbo: security, oku, and road. Once you can do these 3 things, nobody will ask you whether in oku, uzo, and security. Once you can do these 3 things for us, we are not asking for much. Say Apogodoku school, many private schools are doing well on their own. We celebrate them. Many churches are funding schools. We celebrate them. Many churches are funding schools. Many churches are funding schools. Many of them are building some of the things government are supposed to do. Or you have to tell people that our problem is not church, our problem is not religion, our problem are individuals who are terribly wicked. That is our problem. Our problem is not church. Our problem our problem is the heart of our people. Some of us are wicked. A member representing a constituency, a community, a location, jiwe empower ndebeha. Oga ichetalụ ndị bụ na wheelbarrow anụnwa weta account gị ka eme calculation ka amala ego na-abata na your account ka amala ego that you have spent on that community so far. Ọ bụ na egwu ya ekweguri tichalụ ụkọ nwoke ego ebute alụsị obodo busala gị n'iru ka nwa yi na ya. Ebute alụsị obodo busala gị n'iru gị ka nwa yi na ya. Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Mmadụ one ka people sponsored to Igbo obodo Igbo. Mmadụ one ma akwụkwọ na that community that needed to be funded. Evangelist or Apostle Chibuzo nke OPM. Ọma mmadụ one fund go. Uncountable of them. Send they abroad. Well, offering and tithe near something in a civilized world. Church, and that's not the duty of the church. Man, here will call responsibility that is meant for government hand you over to church. And somebody no question you're not saying no matter who come on. Yes, I said it. If this type of people are not being held responsible and accountable for their evil act, they will always like to get away with it. When I hope that we barado say, but I wouldn't die to a hookute. See Oga Buru Wheelbarrow actually everybody stand up and walk away from them. Wheelbarrow na mma empower her. And somebody need defend the saying that those wheelbarrow millions of bully have been the boon, you go and the boon on Amolo Amuta from a mage to one negino goody. Amolo Mone Haji, I learn all had that wheelbarrow up. Hablo. If you people can secure wealth for your children unborn, you people can also secure wheelbarrow for your children yet to be born. Eba ju ihe na adu no mo si bido na bu no me wenja taji ha.